Hello friends, how are you? In this video, we are going to see about how to grow and care for Heliconia at home. Friends, if you are like my videos, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. It is one of the most beautiful plant in this world. It's native America that belongs to Heliconiaceae family. False bats of paradise is a common name for this plant because of its similarity in appearance to birds of paradise flowers. It is a easy growing plant and very beautiful as a potted plant. Heliconia grows from an underground stem rhizome. Rhizome are a type of root that you can buy in an online store. Now let's see how to plant the rhizome. I choose a plastic pot of size 30 cm wide and 30 cm deep with a drainage hole. I am using some coconut fiber as drainage material at the bottom of the pot. Use nutrient-rich, well-drained and well-porous potting mix. Dig a shallow trench and place the rhizome horizontally. This rhizome must have at least 2 nodes. Cover the rhizome with soil. Water sparingly. Keep the soil moist until the plant is rooting well and you will see the new growth. Normally, it takes a month for new growth. Allow it to grow in a moist location and away from direct sunlight until you will see the new leaves opening. After that, place the plant in a sunny location. Heliconia varieties will grow well in full sun and also they tolerate partial shade. Also, these plants can be easily propagated by dividing the new plant from the parent plant. Using a knife, separate a young plant or growing bud from the parent plant. Dig a hole and place the shoots or buds facing upwards and cover it with soil. Then form the soil around the base of the plant. Water thoroughly and place the plant in a sunny location. There are many varieties of these heliconias. Now I have 4 different plants. It is a rare variety. Its flowers have white bracts with pink color edges with yellow flower inside. This also a double color heliconia. Flowers have red color bract and yellow flowers inside. It is the most popular type of heliconia. Both bract and flowers are golden yellow color. This is bright red color heliconia. I planted few rhizome in 2 months before. Now new plants sprouted. A newly potted heliconia does not bloom in the first year. These plants take about 1 to 2 years to mature. Be patient for few years to see buds and flowers. The flower buds emerge from stiff greenish long stalks above the foliage. Each flower stalk lasts for few weeks. Each stem will only flower once. So after flowering, you can cut the stem out. The crowded plants provide blooms continuously. They have no particularly growing season. They will bloom year around. Fertilize your plant when you start seeing new leaves. Water the plant when the top soil in pot feels dry to touch. In rainy season, to avoid root rot, let the soil dry before watering. Thank you.